Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, 118 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, if you have more doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is abhimanyu bhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. So I'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906 @gmail.com. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called protect your investment. This was the 116 number video and the name of the topic was protect your investment, okay? And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic and the name of the topic is you cannot get something for nothing, okay? This topic friends, okay? And this is 117 number topic friends, okay? And the name of the topic is you cannot get something for nothing. So friends, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? In large stores, the management employs store detectives to prevent people from stealing. So yeah, author Joseph Murphy is telling that in a large store, management employs the store detective to prevent the stealing friends, okay? They catch a number of people every day trying to get something for nothing. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that they try to catch number of people who are trying to get something for nothing friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. All such people are living in the mental atmosphere of lack and limitations and are stealing from themselves. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that this all kind of people are living in lack and limitation of stealing. They are always stealing something from themselves friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Peace, harmony, faith, honesty, integrity, goodwill and confidence. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that these people are always stealing from them. The things they are stealing, that is harmony, faith, honesty, integrity, goodwill, and also the confidence friends, okay? Furthermore, they are attracting to themselves all the manner of loss, such as loss of character. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that this all kind of people are attracting always loss in their life, and what which type of loss they are attracting. So let us see what author Joseph Murphy says. Such as loss of character, prestige, social status, and peace of mind. So these people are attracting loss of character, prestige, social status, and also the loss of peace of the mind friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? These people lack faith in sources of supply and the understanding of how their mind works. So your author Joseph Murphy is saying that these people always lack in the sources of supply and also lack in how the principle of the mind work friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. If they would mentally call on the power of their subconscious mind and claim they they are guided to their true expression. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that if they call their subconscious mind and claim that they are being guided by their subconscious mind friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. They would find work and constant supply. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that these people will be finding the work and also the constant supply friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Then be honesty, integrity and perseverance. They would become a credit to themselves and to the society at large. So then this people will become the credit to themselves and the society at large friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called you can get something, you cannot get something for nothing. So this was a topic which I covered on the last video. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called no, this was the topic I covered in the today's video, friends. Okay, that is you cannot get something for nothing, this topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called your constant supply of money, this topic I'm going to cover it in the next video, friends. Okay, so friends, this video came to an end and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.